here we are. This is one of our sort of last late war, about 1943 BSA-WM20s. It's badged to the one of the parachute regiments, hence the writing the C numbers in blue, which the paras were allowed to do. This is a very, very tidy old bike. Some people have asked to have a look at it in a bit more close up, some of these bikes. So for those who want to see a bit of detail, here it is. 276 C1B carb, a beautiful head and barrel. I don't think I've seen better than that. This bike had not done very much work. Had a set of new old stock forks, and the engine's on standard BSA piston. Had no carbon on it at all. So it was just been stripped, cleaned and put back together. It's not very, very often you get them like that. So, okay, we're about halfway through our run. What have we done? Pete's done 11 miles on her, and he's going to whip across now and start her up and just whip round the triangle a couple of times. The number plates comes off quite easily for shows, and you've got the nice Pegasus Valerathon under there, and it's 67 156 independent brigade markings on it, and these boys were at Arnhem, and not very many of them got back. A lot of them were captured, a lot wounded, and a lot killed. Go for it, Pete. That is an incredibly nice sounding engine. It's just really crisp. As I say, it's a BSA built engine. It must have been built in the 50s, I would have thought. A wartime engine, but rebuilt when they put a new barrel, piston and head on it. This is one that I've done for myself. It's not presently for sale. Whoops. And it's going to go to Arnhem in about 2 months' time, and you should see either myself or Mark Towers riding her. Give her a testing over there. I think you'll agree it's a very, very nice bike. It's just a nice bike. I reckon that about wraps it up. Okay, Pete.